Hey, sixth graders, happy Tuesday. So we are now moving on from the branches of government, and we're going to be looking at the relations among the states. All right, so we're going to, kind of stop looking at the government for a second and go into looking at states and how our government deals with different states and the rights within those states. So there's going to be 4 questions here that you guys are going to focus on. First 2 are going to happen kind of what happens when you go out of state. Say if we were to leave Missouri, are there certain rights that I'm going to be guaranteed if I go to Colorado, if I go up to Montana, if I go to California, wherever. The second one has to do with what happens if I commit a crime or someone commits a crime and then they go to another state to try to hide. What kind of happens with that because they've crossed state lines, which, is different state governments. And then the bottom 2, the first one has to do, even though it hasn't happened in a while, what happens when, we want to add a new state, right? Who's kind of in charge of that? How would we go about that? And then my last question is, what does the federal government guarantee to the states? All right, because there's certain things that states can do and that they can't do compared to the federal government. So you're going to look a little bit at that. All right, we're almost done with our missions, getting to the end here. So let's finish strong, and then we will move on to another group of work.